Hi guys, in this video I have a drugstore makeup haul for you with the new Essence makeup products. As you can see, I have received my packages. I placed my order a few days ago and I received them today and yesterday. I'm super excited to see how the products are looking. For September they have a lot of new products because every year they have two updates. They are discontinuing products and also they have new makeup releases, and they are doing that every February I think, and also September. So this is the update for autumn and fall. Autumn and fall is the same. In here we have the update for fall and winter. If you like Essence products, don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting a lot of videos every week using Essence makeup products and also drugstore. I'm not very sure if you still like watching drugstore makeup hauls or makeup hauls in general. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one. Let's start with the first box, which is heavier because it was a bigger order. This is how your package comes, and it says here, makeup is a way to say who you are without having to speak. And I totally agree with this. I have here a bag with a lot of lipsticks, as I can see. So the first products that I have here are these little palettes. We have the Daily Dose of Power, Energy and Love, and oh my god, these are so cute. These are all of them. They are adorable. I like this metallic title that we have on the packaging, and as we can see, these are cardboard, and we also have this elastic band instead of a magnetic closure, which I really like when companies do that. So we have, oops, okay, the plastic layer just wanted to leave us. This one here is the Daily Dose of Power, and we have these beautiful colors. Also a little message. It says, yay for today. For all of the eyeshadow palettes, I'm gonna do an individual review and makeup tutorial, and also swatches so you can see all of these beautiful shades, how they look. This is the Daily Dose of Energy, and these are the shades. Where's the plastic layer? Oh, it is here. Okay. We have matte shades, also shimmery eyeshadows. I really like the color story of this palette. It has everything for everyday eye looks. And then we have the Daily Dose of Love. I don't know why I say it like that. Oops. The plastic layer. In this one we have cool tone eyeshadows in pink colors, and it says self-love clap. It looks like a metallic sticker. It's super pretty. I didn't tell you the quote in this one. It says, less to do, more ta-da! I have here one more palette. This is the brown edition. In this one we have 9 eyeshadows, as you can see, in brown colors, and this is how it looks open. I'm back! I brought this one here. This is the nude edition, so you can see in comparison with this one that we have darker eyeshadows. And I also got the Hello Good Stuff Trend Edition. This is a limited edition by Essence. We have 6 products. This is the face primer, the tinted beauty cream. In this collection you can also find a face serum, also a 3-in-1 face mist, also a matte and glow bronzer, and a volume mascara. I'm going to do a video for all of these products, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I was very happy to see that they have new fake lashes because I don't really like the fake lashes that they released in January. They were very crazy for me with a lot of colors and feathers. And these here are the Lash Princess Wispy Effect False Lashes, and also the Lash Princess Natural Effect False Lashes. I like the shape of them, but I think they are looking very shiny because they are synthetic, I think. These are vegan and they can last up to 6 months, which is a little bit weird to say that, but maybe that's because of the glue that we have. Okay, that makes sense now. Essence Cosmetics has some of my favorite drugstore primers, and I was so glad to see that we have 2 more primers. And this is the Prime and Studio Hydrating Skin Refreshing Primer, and we also have the Prime and Studio Protecting Skin Perfecting Primer. This one here contains coconut water and hyaluronic acid. It can also provide 24 hours hydration. This one here has SPF 20 and it can protect from UVA and UVB filters. I'm very excited to try this. I'm going to post individual reviews. I finally have an eyebrow spoolie. It was weird. They have so many brushes now and we didn't have a spoolie. Now we have, and I like that it is in this beautiful packaging, the white with the rose gold handle, and this brush is vegan. Let's continue. Essence has so many mascaras. Now they have two more mascaras. This is the 24 Ever Defined Volume Mascara, and we also have the 24 Ever Bold Volume Mascara. I'm very curious to see the applicators. So this is the Defined Volume. Let's see. Ooh, that's a big fat applicator that it's not gonna be easy for me to use. Ooh. This is smaller, thinner, it has a little bit of curve. About the mascaras, let me know if you want to see like a comparison review, so I can use one mascara on this side and the other one on the other. Okay, we have here the Fix and the Last 18 Hours Makeup Fixing Spray, and this one gives an instant matte effect, and also it is waterproof, it is oil free and alcohol free. That's very good if you have dry skin. And let's see how this looks. This is not a mist. Yeah, this is like drops of product. Oh, that's disappointing. Okay, now it's finer. Maybe something was blocking the spraying area. I think I'm a little bit shiny. I'm going to use it now. I ate some. I think I applied on my eyeliner. This one smells very nice. It is like a light perfume. I think my forehead is matte now, but I still have a lot of highlight. Maybe I didn't apply there. Who knows? It doesn't feel drying, so that's good. Thumbs up. Some of you were asking me about these, so I decided to get them. And this is the blush in the shade 30 Breathtaking, and also the highlighter in the shade 20 Hypnotic. I have one more shade of this blush, just a second. It is this one here, and this is in the shade 2 Blissful. This one is a very nice peachy corally shade. This one is a little bit darker. About the highlighter, I think it was released in February. They had 2 shades and now they added 2 more, but they are for darker skin tones, so that's why I got this one here. And it looks like a very nice light champagne color. Okay, let's see. I'm very curious, and I like the imprint that we have, the highlighter. That's definitely a shade that I could use. I like this type of highlighters. And the last product of the first box is this one here. This is the Sun Club Natural Glow Bronzing Powder, and I got it in the shade Warm Tone. They also have a darker one, and this is how it looks. I like that we have this stamp. Oh my god, it smells. I think it is coconut. It doesn't say, but it is vegan. So we have a lot of vegan products. I think they are changing the formula. First box is empty. Let's move on to the next one. And we have the special message again. Before we start with the second box, I forgot the bag. Okay, let's see what we have. These are concealer sponges. They are super cute and adorable. Oh. It's very soft and bouncy. Do I need more lip balms? No, but I bought all of the new ones. We have the True Glow pH Reacting, also the Natural Tint Color and Care, and the Pure Volume Plumping Effect. I think I'm gonna do a swatches video for these, and I'm going to have them in the same one. If you have never tried the Shine lip glosses by Essence, you are missing, because they are very comfortable on the lips and super shiny. Now they have a new formula. This is the Plumping Effect Shine lip glosses. They also have them in clear, but I decided to get these two because they have some color, and I'm very curious to try them in a video as well. Oh my god, this smells amazing. It is like cookies and vanilla. Let's open this one too. It's the same scent. Delicious. For the brows, we have these 3 products here, and this is the brow powder that I think they had again. Oh my god, it opens like this. Okay, that was a surprise. And then, ooh, you're taking it out. Oh my god, I'm losing products. I thought it was like a palette. Each brow shade is in a metallic case. You can take them out in a metallic palette. This is the Tiny Tip Precise Brow Pen, and this is semi-permanent. This one reminds me a new product by Urban Decay. Ooh, it has pigmentation. Okay, maybe this can work for me. Nice. Also, we have the brow pomade brush. No, brow pomade and brush. This is the brush, and on the other side we have the pomade. And this looks like a Benefit product. Do you remember the This Is Me lipstick swatches that I did last year? They have released new This Is Me lipsticks, but this time they have a semi-shine finish, and this is how it looks on the bottom. They look exactly the same like the This Is Me lipsticks, and I bought all of the colors for a swatches video. For now we have 8 colors. I'm very happy that they are expanding specifically this lipstick collection because I like the This Is Me lipsticks a lot. Essence has some very nice lip pencils as well, and now they have a new formula. This is the Soft and Precise, and I decided to get 3 colors to try them out. I got the shade Why Not, because this is like the motto in my videos. Okay, so this is Why Not. Now I'm taking the shade Cheerful, and this is what my videos are about. That's very nice as well. And this one here is the shade Popular. Very nice saturation of color. I got 2 more lip pencils. These are the Stay 8-Hour lip liners. These are waterproof. I got the shade Unforgettable and also Now or Never. These are twistable pencils, and we also have a sharpener on the other side. So let's see Unforgettable. Ooh, that's very creamy. Now or Never is like a deep cherry color. It is a little bit brownish. I'm thinking about doing an eyeliner video with all of the products by Essence, so that's why I also bought 2 more eyeliners. This one here is the Easy Brush Liner, and the other one is the Tiny Tip Liner. Let's see how they actually look. This is the Tiny Tip Liner. Ooh, that's nice. The applicator is like a sponge and it is very soft on the skin. And this is the brush liner. I never use liners like this one. It looks like a marker, but what you see is a lot of bristles together. This one here is the Clean and Strong nail polish with 86% natural ingredients. I got it in the shade 4 Brisk Dawn, and I'm very curious to see if it is clear or it actually has opacity. This is with 1 coat. It looks so nice. I hope they can make more colors of this formula. With 2 coats, it is very opaque. It is a little bit thicker, so make sure to let the first coat dry and then apply the second coat. With this nail polish, you can get harder and stronger nails in a week. I already have thick nails, so I'm not the best person to test it, but the opacity of the color is super nice. This color here is from the Maybelline Advent Calendar. I have started unboxing Advent Calendars again, so don't forget to subscribe. All of these products were from the first box, so let's dive in the second one. I decided to get the High Beauty Trend Edition. It was released, I think, 2 months ago, but after the Hello Good Stuff products, I said, okay, let's try some more skincare by Essence. In the High Beauty Trend Edition, we have a face mask, a concealer, a caring lip balm, a hydrating face primer, a mascara, and also a setting powder, a green setting powder. So I don't know if this is going to work on top of foundation. High Beauty is going to be in a video. Oh no, I bought it again, so I'm gonna keep it for a future giveaway. We also have a new foundation. This is a Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. I got it in the shade 60 Neutral Honey. And I have actually tried this again in another shade, but I decided to get this one too because I got a little bit of tan, and I think the other one is a little bit lighter for me. I have done some videos for the Essence YouTube channel, and I have used this one again, but I haven't done a wear test, so I'm gonna do this on my channel. Ooh, these are so cute! They remind me of my childhood. And these here are the Juicy Bomb Shiny Lip Glosses. I decided to get all of them again for a swatches video. And we have the shades Proud Pitaya, Lovely Raspberry, Sweet Peach, and also Crazy Cherry. And they are so cute. I couldn't not buy them. Do you remember the This Is Me lipsticks that I was talking about before. We have 4 more colors, but I'm a little bit confused because they say semi-matte and they don't have the same sticker like the This Is Me lipsticks of last year's. So this is the older version and this is the new. I think they are the same. I really like the packaging of these lipsticks, and to be honest, I was expecting them to discontinue them, but they didn't. I'm very happy about that. Let's continue. Let's continue. Spoiler, I bought more lipsticks. We also have here the long-lasting lipsticks in 8 colors. I'm pretty sure that they had the long-lasting lipsticks again. I actually have one, found it, and this is also a long-lasting lipstick. And the new one looks very similar, but it doesn't have this line here. You can also watch the Essence Tansation collection here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!